Hello. Don't expect me to say good morning, good afternoon, because I'm in a very bad mood. Why, you ask me? Being a teacher is not easy, I tell you. Just yesterday, one of my students asked me, Alexa, can you repeat the question? I was fuming. I felt like going inside the laptop and giving that child a solid pasting. Trust me, it's very difficult being a teacher. And our principal is another headache. He wants us to plan Children's Day celebration for such notorious kids. Can you imagine? So here I am, breaking my head. What should I do? I know. Let's YouTube. We'll definitely find some ideas on YouTube. Let me have a look. What do we have here? Sunday school, double parish. Oh wow, 3 lakh views, 2 lakh likes. Seems to be a happening place. Let's have a look what's happening there.
Morning, children.
Good morning.
Welcome to the year 2025, my small little kindergarten children. So now I'm going to take your attendance, okay? When I call your name, you have to say present teacher. Alright? Okay. Oh my God, what do we have here? You all were born in the year 2020, is it?
Yeah.
No wonder your names are like this. Very interesting. Your parents were very creative. Alright. So answer present, okay? Okay. Quarantine Manazes.
Present, miss.
Lockdown Rebello.
Present, miss.
Sanitizer Sequera.
Present, miss.
Face mask Montero.
Present miss.
Face mask Montero.
Miss, I'm wearing a mask. I cannot talk nicely.
Oh, put that down now, your mask. Social distancing Dias.
Present, miss.
Arey, why are you standing so far away? Come here, it's okay, you can come in. We are COVID free now. Come inside. Gloves Gomes.
Present,
Zoom De Cruz. Oh my God, you're really zooming in the class. Google Meet Mendonça.
Present miss.
Online class Crasto.
Present, miss.
Online class Crasto.
Sorry, I got disconnected. Present miss.
Okay. Google Form Fonseca.
Present, miss.
YouTube Gonsalves. YouTube Gonsalves, stop those ads and answer quickly.
Miss loading.
Oh my God. Netflix Narona.
Present, miss.
What are you doing there distracting everyone? Sit in your place. Okay, thank you for answering your attendance.
That was fun. Did you enjoy it? I sure did. Let's see what else they have.
Seriously, David? What are you up to?
Arey
You're
what?
supposed to be studying.
I'm doing
I can
my
hear you on the phone with those games. Whole day, game. I'm
Arey,
seriously
but what-
fed up of you. Is this the way you're going to be an engineer?
But I'm doing my work.
Work? Please, be serious.
If I was in that lady's place, I would have flung my cooker at that boy and given him solid pasting. Trust me. Let's have a look at another video.
Good morning, Natty.
Good morning, teacher.
How are you?
I'm fine.
What did you do this 7 months at home? Lot of musty?
Yes, teacher. You know what? I was playing, dancing, jumping, and eating lot of food.
Okay,
watching movies.
Okay, wait.
We couldn't go out, no teacher. So we were in the house only watching movies.
Okay, wait. Did you study? Okay, no problem.
No teacher.
Okay. I'll just ask you a riddle. Since we are doing first time study, today we'll do some
teacher,
riddles.
Yes.
Then we'll start studying from tomorrow.
Yes.
Okay?
I will answer.
Okay, very good. Penny had 5 children. The first child was January, the second was February, the third was March, the fourth was April, and the fifth one is, what was the name of the fifth child?
Teacher, January, February, March, April, May.
No, what is the name of the fifth child?
Teacher, May.
Can you all help me? Do you all know the answer, children? What is the name of the fifth child?
Oh, teacher, what is the name? Okay,
You got it?
got it.
Okay, very good. Let's go to next one. Next one you'll be able to
Yes,
answer.
yes.
Sure.
Yes.
Wait, What is always in front of you but you can't see?
Teacher, front of me.
Yes,
I can see you.
you can see me, but what you cannot see?
Front of me. I cannot see.
Do you all know the answer?
Teacher,
What is front of you but you cannot see? What can you not see? Future.
teacher.
I thought you told me you know the answer.
Teacher, I also don't know the future.
Okay, fine. Let's see the next one. If a brother, his sister, and their dog went under an umbrella, why didn't they get wet?
Teacher, was it raining?
Do you all know the answer, children?
Teacher,
I don't know what to do.
teacher, they went. under
It
the
wasn't raining.
Oh.
How will they get wet?
Why
when
did
it-
they take umbrella?
No, it's a riddle, Baba, riddle. Do you know? You're very nice, huh? Very sweet. Don't worry. The next one we'll
Thank
do, okay? You will surely answer me?
Yes.
Very good. Okay. One more I'll ask you. Last one?
Last.
Then you'll answer me properly now? Sure?
Yes.
Okay, come on. It is black and white and is red all over. What is it? Can you tell me?
It is
Black and white and red all over.
red all over.
Come on, you're a clever child.
News.
It's a newspaper.
Teacher, I'm saying it. Newspaper.
Okay, very good. I'm proud of you.
Thank you.
You're a favorite student of mine.
Thank you,
Never
teacher.
doesn't matter if you didn't get today, but tomorrow you will do better. Okay? So I'll see you tomorrow. Bye. Take care.
Oh, I'm having so much fun. They are superb. Let's click on the next one.
I press submit. I submit my test.
Complain.
Dada, baby is watching videos.
Baby, are you sure? Please concentrate on your test.
No, Dada, I'm doing my test. He watches.
No, son. That's her class going. She's answering her test.
Again press.
I did not open.
No,
Again.
she's doing her test, son. Why are you disturbing her? Let her do her test.
She's not doing her test. I will show you. Yes, see. Yes, see. Yes, see. Yes, see. See, 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 see. See, see, see.
Baby, what's this? Let it go.
Nada, nothing, nothing. Nothing.
ये किती आमची गोरची खबर किती करतात गो तुम्ही लिसांव करतात काय बेश्टे मस्कऱ्यो करतात
Both students and catechists of Double Parish Sunday School are doing amazing job. They really work together as one big family. No wonder they are doing so well. Keep up, Double Parish, and God bless always.
जब बच्चे थे थोड़े कच्चे थे पर अच्छे थे चल जिए भूल के सारे रूल Life is still beautiful Life is still beautiful